Algebra 2, Concept 3. Here's the last example in the notes. So 2 prom venues charge a rental fee plus a per-student fee. The table shows the cost for Lakeside Inn and the total cost Y for X number of students at Sunview Resort is modeled by that equation. We want to find the answers to these questions. Which venue charges less per student, and at how many students are the venues the same price? So in the Sunview situation, we're given an equation. You know, the slope of the equation is our rate of change. So in this case, that is the cost per student. So Sunview charges $10 per student. And then our B value in the equation is our starting amount. So $10 per student for Sunview. And our $600 is our B value, or our starting amount. So that's just the fee to rent Sunview. So to find out the cost for Lakeside, which is represented by the table, we need to find those same things. We need to find the slope and the y-intercept. So just take your first 2 points and find the slope. So remember, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if you find the slope or rate of change for Lakeside, you can see that Lakeside charges $12 per student. So the venue that charges less per student is Sunview. Now we'll find the starting amount for Lakeside by finding the y-intercept, the B value. So using the combination of 100 students and the cost of $15, I plugged in to our slope-intercept form of an equation of a line and found that our starting amount, our B value, is $300. So our equation for Lakeside cost is y equals 12x plus 300. Now to find out at how many students, which is our x value, the venues are the same price, when you see same in math, that means equal. So we're going to set the expression for cost for Lakeside equal to the expression for cost for Sunview and then solve for x. So if you look at the left side of the screen at my work, you can see where I have set those cost expressions equal to each other and solved for x. And x equals 150 students. So at 150 students, the venues are the same price.